In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add or remove contact records from a static list in HubSpot. Managing your contact list effectively will help you streamline communication and keep your CRM clutter-free. Let's dive in. First, you're going to head over to the trial guide in HubSpot. It's the starting point for accessing your tools and setting up the list management process. Once you're on the HubSpot dashboard, you'll want to direct your attention to the menu options. You'll begin by clicking on the CRM link. This is your central hub for managing customer interactions and data, so knowing how to navigate it effectively is crucial. Next, click on Contacts. This section houses all your customer information in one accessible place. Here, you'll see your entire contact list displayed. Look for a contact, such as Brian Halligan in this example. Clicking on a specific contact like this allows you to view detailed information and provides the options you need to manage their list memberships. As you're viewing the contact, look towards the options for managing their list memberships and click on it. The List Memberships tab is where you can see all the lists that a particular contact is a part of. Whether you're managing a small list or a sizable database, this tab gives you a clear overview of where every contact is contextualized within your organization's ecosystem. Once you've accessed the list memberships, click on Manage. This step is fundamental because from here you can add the contact to existing lists or manage their current memberships with more precision. HubSpot will give you the flexibility and control you need to make sure your contacts are exactly where you want them. If you're adding a contact to a new list, choose Add to List. This option will allow you to select from existing lists or create a new one, giving you the opportunity to categorize contacts based on your specific campaigns or organizational needs. To finalize setting up a new list, click on Create a Static List. Static lists in HubSpot are particularly useful because they capture a set group of contacts at a specific time. It's essential for when you want the list to remain unchanged regardless of any new data that comes in unless you manually alter it. This feature becomes invaluable when running targeted marketing campaigns or when organizing contacts for specific events or updates. By following these steps, you've successfully learned how to manage static lists within HubSpot. Remember, whether you're adding or removing contacts, these steps ensure your list remains accurate, productive, and aligned with your business strategies. Keep these instructions handy as managing your contact lists effectively will simplify communications and ensure your customer relations are both meaningful and efficient. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out more of our tutorials to master your HubSpot CRM.